Welcome back to Tibezra's quick and nutritious breakfast recipes. Today, we're dishing out energy and vitality in a bowl, on a plate, and in a glass. First, the energizing smoothie bowl, an antioxidant and vitamin powerhouse. A meal that's more than just a meal, it's a burst of goodness. Next, the protein-packed avocado toast, a quick, satisfying option that's brimming with essential nutrients. And for those on-the-go mornings, nutrient-rich overnight oats. Prepare it the night before and wake up to a wholesome breakfast. Remember, a healthy morning routine sets the tone for the day. These recipes are tasty and provide essential nutrients. Incorporating them into your diet can improve energy levels, boost metabolism, and support overall well-being. Enjoyed these recipes? Give this video a thumbs up, share it, and let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Until next time, stay happy and healthy. Remember, your journey to a healthier lifestyle begins one delicious bite at a time. See you in the next video.